Well, it's sunny and it's 50 degrees in upstate New York. Hi again, I'm Mark from Cub Crafters. Wanted to come to you with my next blog update. We're going to go inside in just a little bit, show you what we've accomplished on the Carbon Cub EX3, and I hope you follow along. Here in our shop, we're building our EX3, and this brought to you is our third blog post. So join me now. I'm going to walk around the shop, show you what we've accomplished with our EX3. So here we have our right wing. We did this in about half as much time as we did the first wing. Part of that was because of not having done it before, looking through the manual, trying to learn how things are done. The first wing took about 180 hours. This one took about 90. It's all complete. Shortly after that, we moved on to the fuselage. We set it up on sawhorses over here. Some people have a rotisserie. I find that the sawhorses are pretty stable, work pretty good for what I'm doing. I know eventually I'll have to turn it upside down to work on the bottom of it, or maybe I'll just suspend it. I'm not sure at this point, but we have things in place here. We've got the baggage compartment all completed, except for the extensions. We're going to put those in before too long. Meanwhile, the fuel system has been installed. You see the tubing hanging up here. Routed the fuel system, and it's in there just roughly. We have to secure that in place, put some anti-chafe tape on it, these types of things. Also have the throttle and prop controls assembled and installed. And we also assembled and installed the floor, which includes the brake pedals, rudder pedals rather, brake pedals, the seat base, and the control system for the seat, sliding the seat forward and aft. And what you can't see is the cables underneath. So that's it for our third blog entry here, our blog post. We're well on our way with the EX3 here. Things are coming along nicely. And I'm going to be taking a week off, headed down to Sun and Fun, so that should be a good time as well. Appreciate you folks watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through our forum or any of the people back at the factory. They've been a tremendous help to me, and as you can see around me, we've got support. So thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.